What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Dogecoin here today because, as you can see, Baby Dogecoin is going crazy. We are doing huge numbers here with Baby Doge, really big numbers. So yeah, definitely hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also definitely check out the link in the description if you want to donate to the channel. Hit that PayPal donation link or hit the Cash App donation link. I'm going to have a Patreon on here soon, so don't worry. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the 25% discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's talk about the topic of discussion here with Baby Dogecoin today. Baby Dogecoin is going huge, is going crazy right now. So literally the second we got in this channel right here, we were going crazy. So a second we got here to these green supply and demand areas, it just started going crazy. This right here means that we have a lot of demand for Baby Dogecoin. The second we hit that, huge demand, and then we got to this red area showing that there wasn't enough demand, but Baby Dogecoin still kept going off because there was still lots of people buying Baby Dogecoin. So it went green again. So the supply and demand is still going green. We're going crazy here at Baby Dogecoin. The bulls are in control by 100% in the last 24 hours with Baby Dogecoin. That's the market control for Baby Dogecoin in the last 24 hours. 100% bullish. So this is really big right now. As you can see over here in the oscillator, you can see it's sending a lot of different signals here. You can see there's a lot of volume going through Baby Dogecoin right now. So really big numbers going on here in Baby Doge. And yeah, we're going crazy. So let's take off this auto and scroll up. So our next point to break over here is the 2000 area. We're literally about to go up to 2000. And then after that, we're going to be at 2100. That's our next resistance. But I am going to mention something now. Do not be surprised if we do a little bit of a retracement period. Like, we just now broke a lot of different Fibonacci retracement levels. We just now broke a lot of different resistance levels. So if we do a little bit of a retracement period, right? Do not be, don't be sad because we just jumped out huge. So look, the second we got into this Fibonacci retracement level, this 1350 area, as soon as we got past this 1330, 1350 area, we actually started to break out. And then as you can see here, it went on a little bit of a downtrend. These retracement periods are needed to build momentum. So right now, you can see there's a little bit of red forming around this candlestick here, meaning that there's actually starting to become more selling than buying, which is probably going to lead us to retrace back down to this level here at 1640. So if we retrace back down to 1640, then that's going to help us build momentum. And look, we're still green here with the supply and demand. So if we go all the way down here to 1470, we're going to have a lot of demand for Baby Dogecoin. So either way, Baby Dogecoin is bullish. Like, even if it just goes down on a short-term downtrend, temporarily, it's going to go on a long-term uptrend bullish. Like, it's on a long-term uptrend, like, altogether. But yeah, anyways, I'm stuttering over like all my words right now. I'm really tired, but I just had to come here and do this quick little video on Baby Dogecoin because Baby Dogecoin is going crazy right now. Like, honestly, I looked at my account and I'm like, this can't be real. Like, I looked at it, it was doubled since a few days ago. We already went up 100% or something like that. But look, you can see over here, the last 7 days, 100 or 96.6% in the last 7 days. Last hour, 5.8%. Last 24 hours, 35.1%. Last 14 days, 174%. The best thing about Baby Dogecoin, look over here. You will not see any crypto going crazy right now. Only up 1,500% from the all-time low. Meaning we have. I just want to show you all how significant this is. I know everyone inside the Baby Dogecoin army already knows how significant this is. Look, Sheep is already at rank 12, but Baby Doge is probably going to get up to like rank 30, rank 20, sometime around there. Possibly rank 50 because, we got to start low. But Baby Doge is about to be past rank 50 plus. I just want to show something here, though. Look at this percentage. All right, so this is the 100 area. So let's highlight that. That's the 100 area. That's the 100. That's the million area. Or wait, yeah, that's the 100,000 area. That's the million area. 51.9 million% from the all-time low. I gotta say that again. 51.9 million% from the all-time low. If you look at this literally has the same amount of zeros that Baby Dogecoin has, and it's like literally at the same timing, perfect timing. It's like this is crazy because I'm looking at this and I can already foresee the future. We are about to be some millionaires up in here. People don't believe it, but we are about to be some millionaires. Also want to mention another thing with Baby Dogecoin. 640,284 holders. Most people in Baby Dogecoin don't hold that much Baby Dogecoins. Like, let's show something over it. 366 million. All right, 366,972,052. So let's do this right here. I already forgot what it was at actually. All right, 366,972,972,052, right? So let's do this math here. This is the market cap, 366 million market cap, by the way. So you can see over here we have 366.9 million in market cap. So let's do that and divide it by our holders over here. Let's click over here and then divide it by our current holders at 64, 640, and 284. All right. 573. The average baby Dogecoin holder has $573. Like, that's very small. So when people look at it and they're like, but you all have all these holders, there's no way everyone's going to be a millionaire. Obviously, everyone's not going to be a millionaire in here, but the people with enough money will be millionaires. Like, if you have 1,000 plus, definitely plan to be a millionaire. If you have 100 plus, plan to have 100K plus, which is still pretty good. Like, let's be honest. If you have like 10, $50, like, you can go ahead and look up the articles on Sheep. People with $20 in Sheep ended up having like almost $1 million, like literally. So this is huge right now. But anyways, 640,284 people invested in Sheep right here. Hit that refresh button, or Baby Doge. I mean, 640,382. So people are always investing inside of Baby Doge. Baby Doge is going crazy right now. I just had to come here with this real quick video. But yeah, we are 100% bullish here with Baby Dogecoin. I'm telling you all, Baby Dogecoin is literally about to make millionaires, possibly even billionaires, and I'm going to be one of them. You all are going to be some of them too, and I'm going to keep putting money in. I was trying to buy the dip earlier, like previously in the previous days, but I'm waiting on my money to come in. I'm waiting for that paycheck to come in. I know everyone else is waiting for their paychecks to come in too, so I'm waiting for something to come in so then I can actually buy more Baby Dogecoins. But I was looking, I was like, oh man, I could have bought more Baby Dogecoin and then had double the money today. But I'm not even worried about it because in the future, like, we have so much going on. We are only up 1,500% from the all-time low. Like, that's all you got to know. 1,500%. Like, you got to think about it. Like, 51 million percent, like, divided by our 1,500%, right? Like 34,000x. I mean, not 34,000x. Don't quote me on that. But 34,000 like times higher is what I meant. Not 34,000x. That would be completely crazy. 34,000x. So if you really want to see where it would be when Sheep is, or when it's at Sheep's price, 14.6 million, then you would just, or 14.6 billion, you would take your 14.6 billion, and then you would pretty much just divide that by where we are now with Baby Doge, which is 366 million. So, or I put $366. I told you all I am tired right now. Let's do this again. 14.6 billion divided by 366 million. Boom, right there. That's a 39x from here. So that's a lot of money right there. So, definitely plan on making a lot of money inside the near future. I probably didn't even do the math right because I'm so tired right now. But anyways, 36%, or not 36%, 36x in the future, that's still huge. Like, even if you had $1,000, not even going to do that math because it's $36,000. Not that tired now. But anyways, that's big stuff inside the near future. Like, anyone can make big money here on Baby Doge. But let's just say you have 140 billion Baby Doge coins. So that's 104 billion Baby Doge coins, and maybe you have or maybe we go up to this area. That area will bring you up to 1.4 million dollars. That would be a lot of money off of 140 billion Baby Doge coins. So yeah, big stuff going on here in the future. And like I said, we are coming into a retracement period. You can actually see some of these red candlesticks forming. So don't be surprised if we retrace just a little bit, because look, they happened right here. Some green or some red candles started to come inside of here, and we actually started to retrace just a little bit. Now it's doing the same, so we could possibly do the same thing and continue to rise after this, or we could just take a little bit of a dip down here to this Fibonacci of 1640. But anyways, we have big stuff going on here with Baby Dogecoin. So shout out to the whole Baby Doge army. And I want to mention this. So Baby Doge actually just now retweeted this on their Twitter. So actually, let's back up here and look up the Baby Doge Twitter, because I was just now there, but now I'm not there. So yeah, click Baby Dogecoin here. Then over here, you just go over here and look. They just now retweeted this. So which coin should we list to increase parity next, or increase parity next? But yeah, Baby Dogecoin is probably going to be listed on Binance very soon. Not only Binance, they're already listed on Coinbase just for viewing, just for viewing. And this price isn't right. You can check over here. This is the right price, but you can view it on Coinbase, which means they're probably going to add it on Coinbase pretty soon. Same thing with Binance. Binance is already looking for new stuff to add. And yeah, we're about to get listed on Binance. We're about to get listed on Coinbase. Then we're about to get listed on Webull, and then we're going to get listed on eToro, and then we're going to get listed on Robinhood and a bunch of other different stuff. So that is exactly how baby Dogecoin is going to rise to where Sheep is. That's exactly how it's going to happen, because billions of dollars are going to go into baby Dogecoin, and we're going to be millionaires. I don't want to say billionaires right now, but millionaires. We're going to be big time millionaires, especially if you all hold. You do not want to sell. Like, you see this go up to $1,000, you do not want to sell. Not at all. Do not sell. I'm telling you right now. Do not sell if you see it go up to like 1,000. Like, I'm gonna do this again because this is very important. Like, let's just say you have 140 billion baby Doge coins. That's a lot of baby Doge coins, by the way. You know, it's a good amount, probably like 200 something dollars. I don't know, somewhere around there. But you just do that, and then you just go ahead and multiply it by this amount right here, which is exactly what we're looking for, 0.00001. That's going to bring you to $101.4 million. Like, I'm not selling until we have 4 zeros. And then when we have 4 zeros, that's life-changing money. So you know I'm going to have to sell that right there. I'm going to sell at least $1 million worth of it and keep like 400K of it, because that is life-changing money right there. Anyone who sees that is going to sell it. But I'm not selling it until I see that amount right there, like at all. Because thinking about it, you got to think about where the market cap would have to be in order to have $1.4 billion right there. So I just want to, or 1.4 million. I just want to kind of, put things into perspective here, because you got to think about it. Baby Doge are, Shiba Inu did get to $17 billion, but Baby Doges are like, what, $366 million right now? So that's not even a lot of money, 366 million, and that's where our market cap is. I mean, it could be a 47x from here. So, I mean, anything could happen right now. To be completely honest, even if you have like $250 and you have 47x from here, it wouldn't necessarily look like this. It would probably be way higher than this. 47x from here, way higher. But anyways, this is all I got for y'all today. Just kind of rambling on here because I'm really excited about Baby Doge and I want to see Baby Doge go to the moon just like you all. But yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It'll really help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm, and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want to hear about next. And also, definitely go hit the PayPal donation link in the description if you want to support the channel, or the Cash App. I'm going to be making a Patreon soon. And also, check out Vital Algo for these trading indicators. As you can see here, there's actually another candlestick here forming. So we might actually, continue to rise here, but I definitely believe it's going to be a red candlestick. So like I said, we're going to retrace here. And before we close out on this, I got to keep saying this. A lot of people have a lot of money in Baby Dogecoin, but 150 billion is nothing. So go ahead and buy at least this much. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you have no Baby Dogecoin, though, you definitely want this amount. I'm just going to keep doing this same math problem until I get this into everyone's head. This is with 5 zeros. Even with 5 zeros, that's 150K. And then when you add on, when you take off another zero, that's $1.5 million. So I just want everyone to know, like, this is the goal here with Baby Dogecoin. Baby Dogecoin is passive income. Literally, I started with, I'm not going to tell you how much because I don't want people to hack me, but I started with a good amount of Baby Dogecoin, and I've already occurred like billions, actually a couple billion of, well, like 1.5 billion. I'm not going to exaggerate. I probably made like 1.5 billion Baby Dogecoins just holding Baby Dogecoin. So that's pretty good. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.